Hello friends, welcome back to Program Keeda. In this video, we will learn how to create a database and a table in SQL Server using SQL Server Management Studio. Don't worry, this is a very easy and beginner friendly. Let's get started. First, open SQL Server Management Studio. Uh, Now click on the connect. Once the connect, you will be see a object explorer on the left side. Here you can see a folder called is a database. Right click on database and click on the new database. Give a database name. I will type study student db. We don't need to change anything, just click on ok and that it is our database is created. Refresh a database folder and you can see a student db. Now let's create a database using a SQL query. To click on a new query, type this command: create database, and your database name is hotel date hotel db. Now click execute or press F5. I am clicking execute and the database already exists. Okay, I will change the database name. uh, Doctor management and click on execute. Hence here the database is created successfully. Now it's create a table inside our database. First select the database, so you can use this command: use student db, enter and select and execute. Now our use a student db and next, uh, now the create a table for student database. So create create table student id integer, name varchar. Set data type is a varchar for name, comma age, data type is int, comma city, varchar. Set value is 50. Select and this will be the table will be stored in the student details. Go to the student db, right click and refresh and click student db and then click table and you can see the student table. So friends, this is how to create a database and table in SQL Server using SQL Server Management. Practice this once or twice and you will feel the confident. If this video is helpful you, like the video and subscribe to Programming Kida, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.